primetime news this evening. U.S. to provide support to stem flow of illegal guns in the region. Brace for more rains. Residents in flood-prone areas warned as Met Service issues flash flood alert. And the residents along Southern Highway project in possible jeopardy as rains lash eroded hillsides.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we're going to be looking at remittances, and the Bank of Jamaica has indicated that for the fiscal year 2022-2023, remittances were marginally down. So I'll give the details a little later on.
All right, and Karen is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, the reggae girls are set to see a huge increase in fees when they touch down in Australia next month for the FIFA World Cup. And while it's nowhere near what the men earned in Qatar last year, it's double what the women did in 2019. The details in Primetime Sports later.
You know, at least that's progress. Anyway, flash flooding and rain. Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Yes, the flash flood watch stays in effect until tomorrow afternoon. We are expected to be under the influence of more shower and thunderstorm activity tomorrow, especially across sections of the east and central patches. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how has rainfall over the last few days impacted you and your community?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.